And you'll notice up here, there's no so if I go to File, Save As, right now we're saving this to the desktop. Okay, so like I can save it to the desktop or save to Cloud Documents. So we can call this Cloud-Document-01. I hit Save. And you'll notice all your cloud documents from Photoshop on Mac, Windows, and iPad will be right here. So let's hit Save, okay? And now you see the cloud icon. So when it is a cloud file, you'll have the cloud icon up here, okay? So I'm gonna close that out, and now you see inside of our files, your files, we have Cloud Document 01. Now, if I select this, so if I just click on that, or I can select right here, I can rename it, I can duplicate it, I can move it, I can delete it, make available offline always. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it. And there's a method to my madness. So, shared with you, as an example, if I were to take that file that we just deleted and I shared it with you on your account, it would pop up here. Okay? Lightroom photos. This is for Lightroom. So it's empty. I haven't used anything. But you can upload photos there and then they'll appear here. Okay? So if you follow along with what it says here in the little description, then you can but upload photos and then work on those photos right on here with Lightroom photos. Okay? And then we have deleted. So deleted is the file that we just deleted. Okay? Files you delete will be permanently removed after 30 days. So you have up to 30 days to restore these files. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to restore this file. I'm going to go here and I'm going to open this. Okay? And let's just open it up. So I'm going to click on it, open it up, and then I'm going to do File, Save As, and we're going to save it to the computer or the desktop. Okay? So we'll call this local document or offline document. Okay, and then what I can do is we're going to learn about the functionality of how to open a file. So if I click on Open, what that will do is if I go to the desktop, I can look for a PSD file, which we know what it's called, right? It's called localdocument.psd. Double click on that, now it pops open. Okay, so now we have the complete understanding of the welcome page. Okay, so we talked about home, we talked about a new file, how to open your files, shared with you, Lightroom photos, and deleted. So if I go here and I delete this file now, it'll be in deleted. Okay, and then I can select this and I can delete permanently. Okay, and then when I go home, it'll show this file here, but if I were to go and open this file, and I'll open up another Finder window here for me. If you're using Microsoft or Windows, you would use Explorer. So if I go right here and I go down to local document.psd and I move it to the trash, and I go to your files and I come back, it's still going to show up, but once I click on it, now I've cleared out the cache basically of showing all these different things, and there's no more files to see here. So we can drag a file there and look at it and see what they have, but it's not going to give you what you're looking for, as an example. So there you go. So that is the welcome page. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.